लेफ्ट साइड की फेडिंग और एचएस, राइट एंगल्ड, राइट एंगल्ड hypotenuse, right angled hypotenuse side construction, RHS construction, RHS construction. If they have given hypotenuse and triangle is right angle triangle, then how to do construction? Note down example 1. Construct a right angled, construct a right angled triangle, right angled triangle PQR, construct a right angled triangle PQR such that side such that side PQ is equal to 8 centimeter and hypotenuse hypotenuse RQ is equal to 10 centimeter. Construct a right angle triangle such that side PQ is equal to 8 centimeter and hypotenuse RQ is equal to 10 centimeter. Already we know very well, students, when we are going to do any construction, firstly we want to draw rough sketch. Draw rough sketch, everyone. Rough sketch. Triangle PQR. Angle P is 90-degree angle. RQ is hypotenuse 10 centimeter and PQ he has given 8 centimeter. Yeah, I am going to start my construction. Give 10 line gaps, student. Draw one line segment, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Draw line segment, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Draw line segment, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Draw line segment, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Now I am going to construct 90-degree angle by using not protector, by using compass, because when RHS construction we are going to do, I want to construct 90-degree angle by using protect, not protector, by using compass. With the help of compass, I want to construct 90-degree angle. And 90-degree angle in the rough sketch you are observing, which angle is the 90-degree angle? Angle P is the 90-degree angle. Means I want to keep my metal point at point P. You can take any arc. You can take any arc of radius like 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, depends on you. Now I am going to construct 90-degree angle. First arc, second arc, third arc. We are not changing this arc. Now join this P point and where both arc are intersecting. Yes. After that, after that, RQ length is 10 centimeter. Means I want to take arc of radius 10 centimeter. Arc of radius 10 centimeter. I want to keep my metal point at point Q. Very big arc will come. I want to keep my metal point at point Q. I want to keep my metal point at point Q. Draw an arc of radius 10 centimeter. You are observing students here. This arc is intersecting at this point. Now join this point and Q point. This is construction of triangle PQR. Don't think here all three arcs will meet. No, only one arc. This is construction of triangle right angle triangle PQR. Step 1. Draw a line segment PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Draw a line segment draw a line segment PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Step 2. Take P as a center. Take P as a center, comma, construct 90-degree angle take P as a center, construct 90-degree angle. Step 3. With Q as a center, with Q as a center, with Q as the center, draw an arc of radius draw an arc of radius 10 centimeter which cuts which cuts which cuts XP which cuts XP at point R. At point R. Step 4. Join join QR. Hence, PQR is the required triangle. Hence, PQR is the required triangle. Write down very clearly, everyone. Yes. Write down clearly, everyone. Yes. Okay, students. Now I am going to start chapter 4, algebraic expressions. Take fresh page, everyone. Keep heading on the top. Chapter 4, algebraic expressions. Chapter 4, algebraic expressions. Chapter 4, algebraic expressions. Take fresh space on the top. Keep heading. Chapter 4, algebraic expressions. Yes. Listen carefully, students. In previous, we have learned geometry concept. Means we have learned all, like we have used compass, protractor, scale. Now we are going to learn algebraic expressions. What is the meaning of algebra? What is the concept of algebra? Why we are learning algebra concept? What is the use of learning algebra? If I want to find out unknown things, if I want to find out unknown things, then we are using algebra concept, right? If I am saying, listen carefully my word. If I am saying the sum of two number is 12, the sum of two number is 12. If one number is, if one number is 4, what is second number? Second number is the unknown value. The sum of two number is 12. If one number is 4, how to find second number? Second number we don't know. I have assumed x. What is x here? X is the variable and 4 is the constant. I can make one equation. X plus 4 is equal to 12. Plus quantity becomes minus x is equal to 12 minus 4 is equal to 6. Means with the help of algebra, we got it. The value, what is the second number? What is the meaning of algebra? Algebra is the branch of mathematics dealing with symbols and rules for manipulating these symbols. What is algebra? The branch of mathematics dealing with symbols. In geometry, what we have learned? Dealing with shapes and size. In arithmetic, what we have learned? Dealing with numbers. But in algebra, we are going to learn the branch of mathematics dealing with symbols. Dealing with symbols and rules for manipulating these symbols. Understood? In algebra, always we will use alphabet, but alphabet will write in the small letters. Suppose I have written here x plus 2, x plus 2. What is x? X is the variable and 2 is the constant. X is the variable and 2 is the constant. Understood? What is the meaning of algebra? The branch of mathematics dealing with symbols and rules for manipulating these symbols. Algebra completed. What is the meaning of expression? Expression is not facial expression. Facial expression is different. Algebra expression is different. Understood? If you are smiling, that is your facial expression. But in algebra, expression is different. What is expression? Expression is a single term or multiple terms connected by the symbol positive or negative. What is expression? Expression is a single term or multiple terms connected by the symbol positive or negative. But with the help of multiplication and division, we cannot separate the terms. What is expression? Expression is a single term or multiple terms or connected by the symbol positive or negative. This is called expression. Inside the expression, one concept I have used, term concept. What is term? Terms are single numbers or variables or product of numbers and variables. Firstly, I want to explain what is expression. Left side key heading, expression. Key heading, expression. If anyone is asking what is the use of algebra, then you can give answer. If I want to find out unknown value, then we can use algebra concept. The branch of mathematics dealing with symbols and rules for manipulating these symbols. First key heading, expression. Expression is a single term. Expression is a single term. Expression is a single term. I will explain what is term also, don't worry. Expression is a single term or multiple terms, multiple terms connected by the symbol connected by the symbol positive or negative. Paragraph change. With the help of multiplication, with the help of multiplication and division. With the help of multiplication and division, we can't separate the terms. Example, expression is a single term or multiple terms. Suppose I am writing here 2x plus 3. 2x is one term, 3 is second term. I am connecting by using symbol positive or negative. X by 2 minus 7. 2x plus 4 minus y, comma, etc. Now some students has one doubt. Sir, you have given one point here. With the help of multiplication and division, we can't separate the terms. What is the meaning of this? Everyone stop writing, concentrate here. Stop writing everyone, concentrate. Just now I have given one point, one para I have given here. With the help of multiplication and division, we cannot separate the terms. What is the meaning of this? Concentrate everyone here. Stop writing. Yes. Suppose I am writing here 2x into 3y. Concentrate here. 2x into 3y. This all operation will learn: addition operation, subtraction, multiplication, division operation. Each and every operation I will learn. But I am explaining here why I have given this concept. With the help of multiplication and division, we cannot separate the terms. 2x and 3y, if I want to multiply, firstly I want to multiply constant term with constant term. 2 3s are 6. After that, variable term I want to multiply with variable 6xy. You are observing, students? Actual term was 2x into 3x. When I have multiplied, answer has come what? 6xy. Here it is not separating the terms. Now 6xy, we can say 2x into 3y or 6y. That's why with the help of multiplication and division, we cannot separate the terms. Now you are looking here, 10x by 2 is the 2 term. When I will divide, it will become 5x. Actually, it was 2 terms. When I have divided, answer has come 5x. This is the single term. That's why I have given concept. With the help of multiplication and division, we cannot separate the terms. Now keep heading, variable. Left side keep heading, variable. Keep heading, variable. By varying the values, is called variables. Is called variable. Its value is not fixed. Its value is not fixed. Example, small a, small b, c, d, x, y, z. Always keep in mind, students, in algebra, we will use always small alphabets, small letters, not capital letters. A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Keep first star point. Variables are represented by symbols. Variables are variables are represented by symbols. Variables are represented by symbols. Wherever symbol is coming, student, keep in mind that is what? Variable or constant? Variable. Here one word I have used, students, by varying the values. What is the meaning of varying the values? Varying is nothing but changing the values. Changing the values. Suppose if I have written here, listen carefully everyone. X plus 2 is equal to 4. Listen carefully, students. What is the meaning of varying the values? If in the place of x, I am substituting 0, x plus 2 is equal to y. In the place of x, I am substituting 0. 0 plus 2 is equal to 0. Y has come 2. Don't write, listen first. X plus 2 is equal to y. If in the place of x, I have substituted 0, then answer has come what? 2. In the place of, if I want to substitute x is equal to 1, then y value is coming what? 3. If x is equal to 2, y value will come 5. 5 or 4? 4. You are observing, students? X is varying, y also varying. When I am changing the value of x, y value is also changing. This is called varying the values. I hope you are getting my point.